Hello and welcome to this little presentation for certified hypnotherapists and energy healers entitled, What Happens After Certification? 3 Truths Most Students Don't Know. If information in this video resonates with you and you'd like to go deeper, you'll find a free PDF in the description. It's my gift to help you integrate this work even further. So once you become certified as a holistic therapist, the first question that always comes up is, well, what do I do now? Well, here are 3 tips I've learned over the years. First thing you need to know is you need to practice, practice, practice. The only way to become accomplished at your craft is to get experience. And in that experience, you'll start to see your first successes, and success will build your confidence. So do whatever it takes to get experience. Do freebies or trades for a while, and remember to collect contact information from your clients to start building your audience. However, only do freebies and trades until you start feeling like you're giving away more than you're receiving. When you start to feel that way, it's a very clear signal for you to start charging for pay. The next thing you need to know is you need to make yourself physically visible. Success is not for the meek, so get yourself out there. And you'll be very surprised at how much interest there is in what you have to offer. And there's lots of ways to do this, so be creative. But here are a few things I did when I started out. Okay, you can give presentations to businesses or organizations. Offer a free 30-minute presentation, and at the end, give a little sample of your work, like a 5-minute guided meditation. And make sure to give away business cards or little freebies with information on how people can contact you. And then stick around at the end for questions and answers and be ready to sign people up for sessions. Also, you could set up a booth at a holistic fair. That's instant exposure. But if you do that, make sure you have a fun little hook to engage with people, like a Jeopardy question and answer game. And you can also give 90-minute retreat events at places like yoga studios. And the third thing you need to know in order to get yourself out there and what to do after certification is this would be if you're interested in starting an internet business. So this is way more involved and it takes a real commitment to consistency and learning how the internet works. You'll learn about things like social media, websites, newsletters, blogs, SEO, partnerships, podcasts, public relations, advertising, and then how to tie it all together. If you don't know what you're doing, don't try and do it blind or by do-it-yourself learning on the internet. Hire a business coach who has a history of success at helping people become successful. And remember to ask for and to check out references before you hire anyone. So I know some good business coaches, so if you need a referral, please don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, that's it. So best of luck on your road to success. And don't forget to pick up your freebie from the text below.